Thank you so much. You mentioned an LLC and you mentioned a trust. Can you tell us real quick the innate differences of those two entities?
Trusts in Utah do have liability protection, which isn't necessarily true everywhere. But the fundamental difference is a trust is not an entity you register with the state. It is a legal entity, and it's where somebody holds assets for you as trustee. That person is the trustee, and you are the beneficiary. In an estate planning trust, sometimes they're the same person. You are the trustee of your own trust, depending on how we set that up. An LLC is a business entity that we set up and register with the state, and you renew it every year. And there's a number of different hoops you have to jump through to keep that valid. It's not terrible, but anyway, it's an entity you register with the state. A trust is a completely private thing. And so if you have asset privacy concerns, you don't necessarily want people digging to find out everything that you own. Sometimes a trust can be a reason. There's also certain estate planning benefits to trust planning as well.
Very, very good to know. The privacy is on the trust side is what I'm hearing from you. LLC is all public
yes.
record. Very good.
Right.
Good to know.
And you can talk about the same issues estate planning wise when you're talking about probate. For example, a probate is really a lawsuit that your estate files against you for the benefit of all your creditors. And if you don't want a free-for-all after you die, if you die with substantial assets, and having everybody and their dog coming in and making claims, or trying to find out, frankly, what 20-something person is about to inherit a lot of money, and trying to con them into certain things. Trust planning can keep that entire process private, whereas probate planning, it's all going to be on public record. And a lot of people don't like the idea of having all of their private financial information displayed before the public.